welcome to my channel From Cheap to Chic. My name is Sharon. Thank you so much for coming to watch this video today. Today I have an Echo Park and Peachy cheap haul for you. Alright, so they had their big sale going on. It's been a couple weeks. I just haven't had a chance to show y'all what I ordered. These are the paper kits. This one is my Valentine. Let's see, these were $7.50 a piece. They were 50% off. And this is Cartabella. Oh, so pretty. Oh, beautiful cut aparts. Aww. I haven't opened this to look at these. Those are cute. That's very pretty. Oh, these make just the cutest cards. Bouquets of flowers. Oh, so pretty. Ice creams. Isn't that beautiful? Some more cut aparts. Oh, did I show you the back of that? I think so. More cut aparts. Oh my goodness. Cut aparts. Yes. Oh, cute. Could just make little twinchies with these. And then you get these stickers and sentiments. So not bad. I ordered 2 of these. Then I got this 6x6 mega pad. It's Easter time. Double-sided paper. Cut aparts. Oh, this is so pretty. That's so cute. Oh, the chocolate bunny. I'm just here for the chocolate bunny. Oh, isn't that cute? That'll go good with the little chocolate bunnies we got from Hobby Lobby. You got some sentiments. That's great. Some more cut aparts. Are we just repeating? I think we are. Yeah. Repeating. Looks like 3 times. All right, nice. Then you got this cute little magazine. Lots of inspiration in here. I got all these chipboards. Summer chipboard phrases. I picked up 2 of those. Summer chipboard accents. I picked up 2 of those. The craft, happy crafting accents. I picked up 2 of those. And then chipboard phrases for summer. I picked up 2 of those because these were $1 a piece. Yes, they were $1. I was thrilled. Then I picked up Spooky. Let's just flip through it real quick. These are all going to come out and go in a plastic folder. So here's your stickers and your paper. Cut aparts, my favorite things. I like this collection. This is cute. More cut aparts. More cut-aparts. Oh, I like this collection a lot. There's the other Valentine one that I ordered. And then this is I Love Crafting by Lori Whitlock. Cut-aparts. Oh, I love them. Drink your caffeine. We have crafts to do. Been there, pinned that. I'm so crafty, I sweat glitter. Crafting is my jam. Oh, I love this. But how do you just look? You're gonna go without this paper. Oh yeah, these are so cute. Oh, I love it. Craft like no one's watching. A work of art. Crafting is a way of life. Eat, sleep, craft, repeat. Crafting queen. Make life pretty. Do what makes you happy. So in love. Crafting is always a good idea. Maker's gonna make. Take a snap. Mess with my fabric and I'll rip your seams out. Do more of what makes you happy. Hello, wildflower, you're beautiful. Make pretty things. Oh, this is so cute. I love it. Whoops. Sorry, I'm shaking y'all. Imagine, love, dream, inspire, laugh. DIY, crafty, sewing, happy, simplicity, scrapbooking, makers. Oh, that's so cute. You got your sewing machines. Wish I want to learn how to use my sewing machine. Crafting is a way of life. Yeah. And then you have your stickers. Create beauty. Look at the button jar. Oh, I love it. All right, that'll be fun to play with. And then I got Happy Birthday ephemera. Picked up 2 of those. Then I got the ephemera for the spooky collection that I just showed you. Evidently I got 2 of those. And I got ephemera for the Easter book. And ephemera for the endless summer. And pool party. Frames and tags. Okay, so that's that one. And then they had all of these on sale. $3 something a piece. Maybe $3.99 a piece. Okay, so this is All About a Girl. All the bows. So cute. This is spring time. Oh, the butterflies. This is very pretty. Birdhouses. Here comes the sun. Oh, so cute. Oh, the pinwheels. And then it starts over. First day of school. Y'all remember I got that mystery box. I got some ephemeras and things like that. So I went ahead and got the paper. I got a sticker book. when the kids go back to school next year, I can make them a card and have more things. Oh, so cute. These are so bright. They'll love these. Look at the school buses. So cute. Then I got Unde Adventures. I don't know. They were just so cheap. I just kind of got like different ones I thought would be fun to have in my craft room. You just never know when you might need this. This is Metropolitan Girl. I just thought this was so cute. I think I've got a kit. A Metropolitan Girl kit. I do. I'm pretty sure. So I got that. And then this is Be Happy. Oh, I love it. It's so cute. That'll be fun this summer. Then I got Let Freedom Ring. Star Spangled Banner. There's the American flag. And I'm proud to be an American, or at least I know I'm free. Hooray for the red, white, and blue. A land that I love. America the beautiful. I love it. So cute. My favorite summer. Oh, look at the pinwheels. Oh, pinwheels have a sweet spot in my heart. Oh, look at all the ice creams, popsicles. Yes, ready for the summer crafting to begin. Not so much summer. I love the winter. I got 2 of those. Play all day, girl. So I make my granddaughter her back to school card. I think this will be perfect for her. And then I got Believe in Magic mega kit. So I guess it's like Disney, but it's not Disney, right? All right, so that is what I got from Echo Park. And then this is a Peachy Cheap Christmas mystery bag. They've been sending these little stickers. Sorry, I can't. I am busy crafting today. I think, is it a sticker? Yeah, sticker. I did get, this was another order of just different ephemeras. It was like all the different holiday ephemeras. So there's Valentine's, there's Christmas, another Christmas, fall, and another Christmas. So this is the mystery grab bag or box. Here's another sticker. Crafters gonna craft. I love that they're sending these stickers. So fun. Okay, so I got these Heidi Swap tags and envelopes. Oh, these are cute. Look at the cute little sleeve. They don't fit in there. There we go. So cute. Then I got some simple stories, stamps, winter cottage. Hello winter. Oh, these are cute. I think I've got some paper, some simple stories paper that matches this, or a kit. I think it's a kit. Then I got some pebbles tags. Oh, cute. No peeking until December 25th. Oh, these are adorable. Oh. Are we just repeating? I think we are. Yes. Well, those are cute. And I got some journal bits, simple stories, Jingle All the Way, journal bits. Then some Pebbles Icon Ephemera. Those are so cute. Then I got 2 of these Busy Sidewalks stickers. So I'll put one of these up for a giveaway at Christmas. Crate paper, American Crafts. Oh, these would be great on some cards. Journaling. Planners. All right, so I'll put one of these up for a giveaway. And then these crate paper Hey Santa tassels. Pom-pom tassels. Cute. And then I got crate paper, mittens, and mistletoe paper. Oh, those are cute. Just single-sided. And start all over again. And then I got a Simple Stories Snowflakes stencil. And Jingle All the Way chipboard stickers. Some of these have fallen out, of course. It says Merry Christmas, little houses. So cute. I can't remember how much I paid for this. I'll put that on the screen there with the shipping price. So, not too bad. I'm not unhappy with it at all. All right, so that's the end of this Echo Park and Peachy Cheap haul. Thank you all so much for coming to watch this video. I hope you have a great morning, noon, afternoon, evening, night, whatever time of day it is you come to watch this video. I hope you're having fun. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.